Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the question based on order of operation. So, in this question, there are three arithmetic operation included. One is multiplication, and second is division, and third is addition. So, first of all, which arithmetic operation we will simplify. So here we simplify the division. 3 multiply 2 divide 1 is 2, okay, plus 4. And now which from addition and multiplication, which one is first simplify. So multiplication, 3 multiply 2 is 6 plus 4, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So this is the simple example based on order of operation. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.